Hi everyone! Today I am going to try to make Felix's brownies. Felix from Stray Kids.
Brownie, 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 brownie.
I found the recipe on TikTok, so I hope this is the right one, and I'm going to put it down in the description so that you guys can make it as well if you'd like. I am actually not prepared at all. I haven't taken any of the stuff out. I don't even know if we have everything, but I assume we do because it's a pretty straightforward recipe. On my way to Tesco, I need 1 egg, and my sister came with me just so I could take pictures of her.
Yes, I did.
And it started raining, so it's not going very well. When I realized there's 1 egg, I almost did start crying, but I didn't. Maybe I should call back my therapist.
Hi everybody, my name is Edelina NV and I am going to Tesco. Or I'm gonna go pet that dog over there.
I can't, but I won't. Before we check the eggs, I want to check for squishmallows. Let's see. Should I put my glasses on because I can't see? They don't have any squishmallows. They just have other ones. I got the eggs. We're gonna get the 15 breaded eggs. I am back and we can finally start making the Felix brownies. Okay, so we need 100 grams brown sugar. Let's see how much that weighs. Okay. Now we need some sugar, normal sugar, 100 grams. Okay, so 100 more. Get ready for diabetes. Felix, that's a lot of sugar. More? I don't want to do more. You know what? We'll keep it there. We can lose 20 grams of that sugar. Half teaspoon of vanilla. I'm just gonna eyeball it. Yeah, okay. You know what? I want more. We need 150 grams of melted butter. That's a lot of everything. Got the tons of butter. I'll probably end up needing more. You know that TikTok dance that goes like. You know that TikTok dance? It always makes me think of a microwave. Spinning. Oh, okay, let me check on it. Come over and check upon it. I'm gonna let you go. Okay, wait, that's melted. Okay, I need a bit more. Take another 10 seconds. Can I look cool while waiting for the microwave? Casual. Just waiting on my butter. Oh. Was there something that they said? Like, oh, it was that bit of Felix going, too much butter. And I'm just gonna pour it in. Speaking of Australian people, I have been on a roll with my sister watching H2O. And I was obsessed with H2O growing up, like so extremely obsessed. I would love it. I would have fights with people when I was like 6 years old. Over which character we're going to be when we were playing, and I always wanted to be Cleo, so if anybody took Cleo I would get mad about it. It's been really fun, except the fact that when it gets to the episodes with Charlotte, what's her name? Charlotte? Charlotte, she sucks. So now we need the 2 eggs that I was traumatized from. No, it really wasn't that deep at all.
Alright, come in. What the heck? Where'd you get your egg from?
I don't know. Someone gave it to me. So, an egg.
Is it
One hand. I actually think that I crack eggs better with 1 hand than I do with 2 hands. Tell me if that's normal. Okay. So now we're going to prepare the dry ingredients in a different bowl. You don't have to do that, but I want to do it because why not? I don't know why, but I think that when I turn the camera on, my half or 70% of my personality dies, which I'm sorry about. Are they arguing? Anyway, what was I saying? Yes, dry ingredients. What do we need for dry ingredients? We need 100 grams all-purpose flour, 20 grams bread flour. I don't think I'm gonna do 2 types of flour because I don't know if we have them, but we'll see. Half teaspoon baking powder and a pinch of salt. Wait, I forgot to preheat the oven. Let me do that just now. Come with me. I realized that I'm wearing my pants backwards. You probably didn't know, but now you know, and I hope it bothers you a little bit. Now we have a preheating oven on 180 degrees, which I should have done before, but it's not too late now. I'm having a little bit of difficulty reaching the flour up there. Who decided to put flour up there? It's like you don't use that in the kitchen. Okay, I'm gonna have to climb. My parents are gonna shout about it later, but it's fine. This better be the flour. Got it. Okay, so now we're gonna measure the flour. We have a lot of it because my dad is actually a chef. Half tablespoon of baking powder. Oh my god, I hate this lid. I am a strong, independent woman that is struggling to open up baking powder. Oh, there we go. You can easily overdo the baking powder and taste like shit. Do you think that was maybe smaller? Like that? Do you think that's good? You know what, let's say that's good. Anything else? Pinch of salt. I'll add up a little bit more. Now we have to mix the two together. It doesn't say I have to mix each separate, so okay. I'll just add over here. There was literally 0 point in putting in this bowl, but let's just get over that. And then you fold. I should have definitely mixed it. I am regretting my decision because we have unmixed eggs. Bad choices were made. Learn from my mistakes. I should probably end up mixing it with an actual mixer since we have that and it would be of great use right now. Trying to save my pride, save the brownies, save Felix's legacy. I will mix it for a bit with the mixer. I'm gonna come back to folding it after. You don't always have to follow the rules. It doesn't say mix it, but I'm gonna mix it. Let's be independent from time to time. This is how it currently looks like. It smells good. I'm getting so hungry. But I'm just gonna add a little bit more flour, like this much. Okay, so flour. Okay, it's a bit better now, texture-wise. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but there's a difference. Now we're gonna put this aside because I'm pretty sure we need the chocolate. Okay, so we have a cutting board. Okay, so this is the chocolate that I have, and I'm just going to cut some of it up. Oh, this is my favorite knife. Oh, I keep telling my friends about it and they keep asking what it is. It's Colorworks from Kitchen Craft. Okay, maybe this really good knife is not the knife for this. This is not. We're back, and this is how much chocolate I ended up cutting up. I hope it's enough. I feel like I like a lot, but I think this is perfect. Look how good that looks. I'm gonna lick some of it. I'm gonna try it. Tastes good. Okay, got the chocolate, and that's a lot of chocolate. I might have. Did I overdo it? Doesn't matter. It's fine. Looks so good. Wait, don't you? Okay, so this is our final product, consistency, look, and all I have to do is prepare the little tray and put in the oven. So I have prepared it and now I am going to start putting the mixture in. She thick. I'm just gonna work with what I have right now and then add the rest after. Oh, I am so dumb. I mean, it's an excuse to lick it off. Ta-da! Yay! We're gonna eat as soon as I step in a club. Okay, I need to stop being weird. Okay. The moment has come for me to let her go, let her grow. And now we just wait. We wait and clean. What time is it? So it says it should bake for 20 to 25 minutes. I'm going to set up an alarm for let's say 17 minutes just now. Check it and then put it back in if it needs more time. The mess I made, it's not too bad, honestly. This is like the least of a mess I've made while cooking something. It's clean.
Tell me what you do on a Sunday.
Goody goody nigga sheen. Oogie boogie yeah, coco dance, groovy groovy.
Tired of all these Friday nights, and if we're through, I'll go my way.
Should be done now. I'm gonna have to leave them for another 5 minutes actually. I burned it a little bit. Just a baby bit. I don't know. How? I put it in for 2 extra minutes. Two extra minutes. You know what? The top doesn't matter. The top does not matter. It does. Whatever. Hi. Hi Felix. Hi Stevie. Oh my god. Bye-bye. Okay, so it doesn't look that burnt in real life. It burnt a baby bit at the top. It's literally like two extra minutes. Just 2 extra minutes. But it should be fine. This is how it looks. Wait, it's actually really... I think it's actually perfectly cooked. Because it looks really like nice and soft on the inside.
Sunday love, that's all I need. Where were you when I was going home alone? Now there's coffee on your white sheets instead of liquor on my tight jeans, and it's never been as easy.
So we have the finished product. Let's taste it. Those are really good. I really like them.
Okay, so there's a lot of chocolate.
Yeah, don't touch underneath. I'll just bite. They're good. I like them.
I like them, it is delicious. It is like mushy oddly said, which is my favorite to be honest.
I'm glad you like it. I'm gonna go eat the one I started eating. I think Sammy approves as well. Where is he? You can see him over here. Oh, he looks so cute. Okay, so this is the ending of today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. My camera is gonna die. These are good. They have been approved by my sister, and I'd actually like to make a lot more of those cooking videos, so let me know if you'd like to see them. Bye bye. Oh my god, there's chocolate on my hands.